All right, so you decide that basically you want to go through the growth hacking process, and the next step is basically being able to build a growth hacking team. So what do you need to build that? So to go through like the entire growth hacking process, you're going to need to have a team leader, someone that can take the decision, getting like the different feedback from the different team members, and advising on what should be the growth strategy and where should we focus in order to grow the company. You need to have, at the end of the day, growth hacking is about like analyzing the data. So you need to have either someone that do that specific activity, or at least like someone that knows how to analyze the data and how to track the different key indicators from the website, from the different marketing channel that you have. You need to have like someone specializing in marketing, in terms of messaging for the company, in terms of working on the defining like different idea about like different marketing channels, things like that. Project managers as well. So that basically is someone which is going to be able to better plan in the time your different hacks that you want to execute like every week, every month, and making sure that you bring the results to the team and that you analyze the results for iterating for new different ideas. And you need as well to have like someone that has some kind of development background, either on the product itself that you guys do, or either as well on the website. So obviously the teams that I mentioned here, it will depend as well the size of the company. So large company will have multiple members for each of those different positions, and smaller companies will have basically one or two dedicated person for that, or it can be as well like one person. The way we approach that at Cartier Development is we provide like the entire services for you guys. So what we do is like we advise to have like one person which is dedicated to your project, to your company, which is the growth hacker. And what we have is within Cartier Development, we're working with different contractors, so design contractors and as well like developers. We have like those resources like internally. So anytime that you need those resources, you can use our resources basically for those different topics. And what we have as team leaders, we have that as well in the house. So that's directly like the partner, so myself and the partner at Cartier Development that can act as team leaders to push the strategy toward like the growth within your company. So that's the way we think it's the most efficient, because you can have like person which has been, I mean, team leaders which have seen like many different projects, so many different experiments running on different projects, and can quickly define what is the right strategy for your business and where you're going to save time and where you're going to have results. So that's like the strategy and the service that we provide.